nature ng baboy. Sabi naman ng isang sister, sa Altawi, brother, domesticated ang baboy mo. Sister, kahit ma-domesticated yung baboy na yun, hindi mo parang maalis yung nature niya pagkababoy. Ha? Hindi mo maalis yun. Oh. Nature niya yun eh. Sabi naman ng isang brother, galit pa. Bakit pa hindi ka nag-use yan kung hindi naman kinakain yan? Hindi naman pwede kainin. Brother, kumakain ka ba ng ibis? Asawa ng tingin, galit. Ha? Okay? Bawal yung pakikipag, yung mga illicit sex. It is haram. Illicit sex. Haram. Mr. Fatma, you have a big smile.
She's from
What?
Kenya.
Same, huh? I see. Good. It is only meant that the word for you and for her is only been written, huh?
Ma'am.
Okay. Alam niyo na yung haram, ha? Okay. Ang gumagawa nito is liable for punishment. It is punishable by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The one who did it is punishable by Allah. But the one who abstained from it, he or she will be rewarded by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. No?